Good morning, friends. Today we have seen the lecture 4, the last lecture of impact of jet. So, today we have seen the last case impact of jet on moving curve vanes. So, let's start. So, let's see the impact of jet on moving curve vane of the jets. Consider a jet of water having velocity v striking on symmetrical moving curve vanes as shown in figure. So firstly draw the figure. Firstly draw the figure of impact of jet on moving curve plates. So consider a jet of water velocity v and diameter of jet is a and area of jet is a. So with symmetrical plate. Impact of jet as shown in figure. The jet leaves in the tangential direction at an angle theta. So V minus U. So impact of jet on moving curve vanes as shown in figure. There is a two positions nozzle impact at center. So V minus U cos theta, V minus U sin theta. So V minus U. So V minus U sin theta, V minus U cos theta, theta is equal to V minus U. So theta an angle, theta is the outlet or inlet angle of the vane. So mass flow rate of striking plate is rho a v minus u. So component of velocity in the direction of jet after striking vane is minus v minus u cos theta. So F is mass into initial velocity minus final velocity. So F is rho a v minus u. So v minus u initial velocity and final velocity is v minus u cos theta. So Fn is equal to rho av minus u bracket square 1 plus cos theta. This is the required force. So whenever force is come, after that work done is force into displacement. So next is, so draw the, write down the this. So force is to mass into acceleration. Rho av minus u 1 plus cos theta. So next is impact of jet on core plate at tangentially. So there are the some. Firstly, draw the triangle. There is an inlet and outlet, two triangles. So inlet triangle is ABCD and outlet triangle is GEFH, EFGH. So there are the phi exit angle of the vein. So firstly, draw the this triangle. Inlet and outlet triangle of impact of J on a curve plate. There is an inlet triangle and outlet triangle. For inlet triangle is given as 1 and outlet triangle given as 2. This is the diagram of impact object tangentially to the blade. So this is a blade or vanes and vanes of a turbines. The diagram is similar to all turbines or pump. So jet of striking on the blade is the blade is VF2, VF2, U, VW2. So here phi is the exit angle of moving vanes. Beta is the angle of which jet leaves the vanes. VR1 relative velocity at inlet. V2 absolute velocity at outlet. VR2 relative velocity at outlet. So V1 and V2, VW and V are the absolute velocity in the direction of jet. Normal. So is called as VW is called as whirl velocity or tangential velocity. VF is the velocity of flow. So VW1 is the velocity of whirl at inlet, VW2 velocity of whirl at outlet. VF1 velocity of flow at inlet, VF2 velocity of flow at outlet. So in this way we are completed the diagrams. So let's find the write down the V or all meanings of velocities. So next case is in that the curve plate is that is the inlet velocity diagram. So inlet velocity diagram, vein velocity Draw AB represent the velocity in the magnitude and direction. Draw AC, it represented V1 into alpha direction. So BC is a VR1, that is V1 minus U, represent the velocity. VW1 and VF1 are the component of V1 which represent whirl velocity and velocity of flow at inlet. Whirl velocity of VW is responsible to produce the driving force, while the flow component of velocity Vf is the responsible for flow of water. So the outlet diagram shows the water leave tangentially. So the velocity is Vf1 and Vf2 are the flow velocity. Vw1 and Vf2 are the absolute velocity in the direction of wind normal. So if the friction between water and wind neglected, so Vr1 is equal to Vr2. So mass flow rate is rho a V1. Similarly, F is equal to m into Vw1 minus Vw2. So force is equal to mass into Vw1 is equal to Vw1 plus Vw2. This is a force. So there are the three different calculations. So beta is less than 90, beta is more than 90. So m dot is equal to Vw1 plus Vw2. So work done is equal to force into distance. So m dot into Vw1 plus Vw2 into u. So we rho a Vf1 Vw1 plus Vw2. So with the help of that, calculate the work done. And efficiency is work done upon kinetic energy. So this work done is rho a V1 Vw1 plus Vw2 half mv square. So in this way we can conclude the case of your lectures. So write down this. So let's see the example on this case. So let's see the winter Thera 4 marks. A jet of water 60 meter strike on curves when at center its velocity is 80 meter per second. The curve moving at velocity 6 meter per second, the jet deflected at an angle 165 degree. Assume that to be smooth. So force in the plate in the direction of jet is, and find the power. So let's see the diameter converted into meter, 660 mm into meter. Velocity 80 meter per second. Blade velocity 6 meter per second. So deflection is 180 minus 165. So rho av minus u. So normal force is m dot b minus u 1 plus cos theta. So with the help of that 800.43, find the power. Power is equal to work done into work done is same as the power. So this is a work done into power. So write down the problem. So in this way we complete the impact object chapter number 4. So thank you.